Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I shared today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For today's card, I'm featuring two stamp sets. One is called All Things Thanks for the sentiment, and the second is called So Eclectic, and I'm using that for the images. The technique here I learned from a lady named Stephanie Gold. This is a one-layer card. I have a thick whisper white card base. I'm using Flirty Flamingo. I'm stamping off first, and I just want a nice colored background. So moving on to Sweet Sugar Plum, also stamped off. I think these colors go so beautifully together. They will be retiring soon, so make sure you get your re-inkers. Also Peekaboo Peach stamped off, and that's it. I think I did Peekaboo Peach just a little bit more than the others. I'm going in with my archival black ink and the outline stamp, and I'm not trying to match up. It's not a matchy-matchy thing. You just gotta stamp the outline kind of in the vicinity of the color. That's all you gotta remember. Super simple, really nice technique here. And I don't know, it just is kind of like abstract-y. I like it. All right, and I'm using the same black ink for that sentiment. You are amazing. And that is the card for today. It's super duper simple, one layer card, and I really like the way it turned out. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will catch you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.